Hello lovelies, welcome again to my channel. Thank you all so much for tuning in. In today's video, I'm just going to be showing you how I moisturize my hair. You can see I washed my hair 2 days ago. Like in my last video, I told you I was going to show you how I moisturize my hair. Ever since I washed my hair, I wasn't able to moisturize it. And I'll be showing you the ingredients I use in my hair when I'm moisturizing it. And before I show you, in my last video, if you have not watched it, I'll leave the link in the description box so you can watch it. I told you that I'm using a remedy to stop hair loss. You can see the quantity of hair that I lost during my wash day routine. This is all the hair I got from my hair. You can really see that there is a difference, a great difference from the hair, the way I showed you last time. This is all I got from my wash day routine. So you can see that that remedy is really working, and I will advise you, if you're a new mom out there and you're going through postpartum hair loss, it will be good you try this remedy. Try it. I really advise you to try it. It is really effective. I will try to link the other video where I was showing you the quantity I will receive from my hair each time I comb it. I will link it. If I don't put it anywhere up there, I will link it in my description box so that you watch it and really see how my hair, how bad it was. And then for me to see this, then it is really great. Once I will unravel my hair, before I do this, the first thing I'll have to do is I'll have to spray some water on my hair. Like I told you earlier, I don't unravel my hair when it is dry, or I don't do anything on my hair when it is dry. So I'll just spray a little bit of water in my hair, just like this, and on my scalp. And then I'll just take one of my ingredients, which I'll be showing you at the end of this video. Stay tuned. I'll show you at the end of this video. I'll just take it like this, and then I go into my hair, rub it in my scalp. Don't mind me as I'm talking and looking at the mirror at the same time. This is my hair. I love how my hair feels. It's really bouncing. I love it. And once I'm done, let me show you first where I lost hair. This is it. You can see that I'm having a lot of baby hairs. My hair have started growing very well. I'll also show you on this other side. This is it. This is where I really lost my hair. You can see, if you compare my hair now from where I showed you about my postpartum loss, you will see that my hair has started growing, and I will continue showing you all the remedies, what I'm using to grow back my hair. It is really effective. You can see I will leave the other video where my hair was really bad, so you can compare the two. At the back, I don't really have any problem at the back of my hair. I don't have any problem here. The only problem was here, here, and on this other side at my temple. You can really see that my hair is growing very well now. And for those of you who were asking what I'm using in my hair for it to be dark as it is, I will also make a video of that. You can see how bad my hair was before I started the postpartum treatment, and you can see that there is a great difference from the way my hair looks right now. So this is how bad it was, and I'm happy my hair is back. Now I spray a little bit of water again to it, and then after I finish moisturizing, I'll just twist each of the section. So I just sprayed some water on my hair, and then now I'm just going in with my oils. After the oil, I'll go with my butter. So as you can see, I'm just struggling to work it in my hair very well before I'll twist my hair out. So after that, I'll just separate it again into smaller section, and I'll retwist my hair. I'm not going to be using any comb on my hair. I'm just using my fingers to pat my hair and twist it out. I'm done twisting this side of my hair. As you can see, I'm done twisting this side. I'll be going now to the other side, which is this one. I'll go again with my water. Then go in on my oil, just like this. Then I'll concentrate now on my ends very well. I already detangled my hair when I was washing it, as I showed you in the last video, so I don't need to detangle my hair anymore. So I'm done with these two sections of my hair. This is how my hair looks on this side. Now I'm going to the back side of my hair, this one. So again, I will just spray some water. To seal in the moisture, this is olive oil I'm going to be using. That is what I use always in my hair. I don't use coconut oil in my hair. I use olive oil. That is what works for me. If coconut oil is your own, is what works for your hair, then go ahead and use that. For me, I use olive oil. And then the next thing, this is my shea butter mix. I made it myself. I will leave the link to the video which I made the shea butter in my description box. This is the second container, it's getting finished. The first one is finished, this is the second one. I'll just take a little bit, just like this. Rub it in my palm. Then I go to my hair. Walk it through my hair, concentrating on my tips. I'm done moisturizing my hair. This is it. Thank you all so much for watching, and I would love to see you all again in my next video. Bye bye.